morning. It's Friday. It's Chicken Joke Friday. I'm here with Lacy. Hi, Lace. She's a silver Wyandotte. She's like, loose lips sink ships. We're going to give it a try, huh, Lace? All right. Here we go. Chicken Joke Friday. Yeah. Off to a good start. Hey, Lacy, how did the soda slide under the door? How did the soda slide under the door? Not a lot of chatter coming from this one. It was flat. It was flat. Hey, Lacy, what did one alarm clock say to the other alarm clock? Do you ever hear ringing in your ears? Do you ever hear ringing in your ears? Hey, Lacy, why do doors like nighttime best? Why do doors like nighttime best? Oh, whoa, because they're nocturnal. Nocturnal. I actually like that one. Hey, Lacy, why did the money seem so different to everybody? You know what? Because it had changed. You're not helping very much. What did the watch say to the scale? What did the watch say to the scale? Wait a minute. We got two more, Lacy, and you're giving me nothing. That's why you're not supposed to do stuff with animals. How did the rope feel when it broke? How did the rope feel when it broke? You know what? It was not happy. Why didn't the fish like his food? Why did the fish like his food? Because he was finicky. Hey, people, today's weather, kind of cloudy, a little breezy, mid-60s. Get outside, do something fun. Fall is rolling in. Don't you feel it? We're out. Bye-bye. Bye, Lace.